segment, Andy. Everything about Montana.
This is the worst trip I've ever been on. West up the John B. West up the John B. See how the things sail. See how the things sail. All for the captain ashore. Let me go. Let me go.
What is your favorite part about riding your bike?
It's the freedom to go where you want to go, and you get away from everything, and you can, I always have a tune going through my mind, and I can think clearly when I'm out on my bicycle. It's just, I guess I'm addicted to it. Last year I rode 7,400 miles because I was 74 last year. And when I saw the MS ride, I jumped on it. My sister has MS, and a few of my friends have MS. So that was a natural. All the kids together would generate about $100,000, and a good portion of that will go for MS research, and hopefully we'll have at least a better life for those who have MS, and at some point hopefully we'll find a cure. Okay, free to go. Thank you.
Out of that dummy. I was just messing around, just having fun. But yeah, that was barrel racing. Then we were just
practicing roping,
just lead steer.
We have young
horses, and it just helps them track a steer, track a cow. Every event in rodeo is something you do on the ranch every day. That's how the sport of rodeo got started. I guess Montana's kind of in the middle of everything. You get the cities, you get the more conservatives, and then the more liberals, and we all seem to get along well.
There's a little bit of everything in Montana.
Yeah. Montana's a friendly state.
It is.
You're always going to find a friend or someone to help you out or somebody to talk to.
Yeah, people are willing to help other people out and not think twice about it. And
we're not a bunch of random hicks running around the country.
My dad and I rode tandem since I was like 4th or 5th grade, and we just got to talking on my way to school one day, and I was like, has anybody ever ridden across the country on a bike? And he was like, yeah, actually a couple people have, quite a few people have. And I'm like, really? That's crazy. And it seemed just crazy enough that I wanted to do it. And I happened across an article about a nonprofit organization, Bike US for MS. So I was like, whoa, Dad, this is really cool. And he's like, whoa, that's interesting. And it's really good because my grandmother has MS, so it really hit home with us. And I did a little bit more research. I thought about it for about 5 minutes, and I was like, yeah, I think I should do this. And Dad said, okay. I just had a blast the first time. I met so many cool people at the MS Achievement Center. I met just so many people, and I changed a lot. I grew to know more about myself and more about other people, and I had an amazing summer. There's no other way to put it. Like, it was just the summer of a lifetime.